Hello friends, today we are going to solve English workshop of 9th standard prose 2.2 Helen Keller and Anna Sullivan. Marginal questions are: question number 1. The author refers to two contrasting emotions. What are they? Answer: when Helen Keller's teacher came in her life, she was filled with wonder. Number 2. On the afternoon of that eventful day, Helen stood on the porch, dumb and expectant. Helen gazed vaguely from her mother's sign and from the hurrying to and fro in the house that something unusual was about to happen. Question number 2. What does the author compare herself to? Answer: the author compares herself with the great ship, tense and anxious, gropes her way toward the shore with plummet and surrounding line. Question number 3. What did young Helen's teacher do when they first met? Answer: when Helen met her teacher for the first time, she caught Helen's hand and held her close in her arms. Question number 4. What is the difference between wordless sensation and thought? Answer: wordless sensation. Wordless sensation, a mental condition or physical feeling resulting from stimulation of a sense organ or from internal body changes. Thought, an idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind. English workshop. Question number 1. Say whether the following statements are true or false. खालील वाक्य खरी की खोटी ते सांगा. A. The most important day in Helen Keller's life was when the teacher came to her. जेव्हा हेलन किलरच्या घरी त्यांच्या शिक्षिका आल्या, तो दिवस हेलन किलरसाठी अतिशय महत्त्वाचा दिवस होता. Yes, it's true. B. When young Helen stretched out her hand, her mother took it. जेव्हा छोट्या हेलननी आपले हात पुढे केले, तिचे हात तिच्या आईने समोर येत हातात घेतले. फॉल्स. हेलन केलरचे हात ॲना सुलिव्हननी हातात घेतलेले होते, त्यामुळे दिस इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. सी. यंग हेलन लर्न टू स्पेल मेनी वर्ड्स विदाउट अंडरस्टँडिंग देम. हेलन पुष्कळ शब्दांची स्पेलिंग शिकली, जरी तिला ते शब्द समजत नव्हते तरी सुद्धा. यस, इट्स ट्रू. डी. वन डे यंग हेलन अंडरस्टूड दॅट एव्हरीथिंग हॅज अ नेम. एके दिवशी हेलनच्या लक्षात आले की प्रत्येक वस्तूला एक नाव आहे. यस, इट्स ट्रू. ई. यंग हेलन डिड नॉट ट्राय टू पुट द पीसेस ऑफ द डॉल टुगेदर. छोट्या हेलननी बाहुलीच्या तुकड्यांना एकत्रित करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला नाही. फॉल्स. एफ. यंग हेलन फेल्ट सॉरी दॅट सी हॅड ब्रोकन द डॉल. छोट्या हेलनला आपण बाहुली तोडल्याचे दुःख झाले होते. यस, इट्स ट्रू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. लिसन केअरफुली अँड क्लॅसिफाय द फॉलोइंग इन टू वन अँड मेनी. काळजीपूर्वक ऐका व एक व अनेक मध्ये वर्गीकरण करा. डे म्हणजे दिवस, कॉन्ट्रास्ट विरोधाभास, टीचर शिक्षक, लाईव्ज जीवन, मंथ्स महिने, इयर्स वर्ष, आफ्टरनून दुपार, पोर्च द्वारमंडप, सायन्स चिन्हे, फेस चेहरा, फिंगर्स बोटे, लीव्ज पाने, ब्लॉझम बहर, अँगर राग, बिटरनेस कटुता कडूपणा, वीक्स आठवडे, स्ट्रगल संघर्ष, शिप जहाज, डार्कनेस अंधार. नाउ वी कॅन सी द लिस्ट. 1. डे, टीचर, आफ्टरनून, पोर्च, फेस, anger, bitterness, struggle, sheep and darkness. In many, contrast, lives, months, years, signs, fingers, leaves, blossoms, weeks. Question number 3. This narrative is written in the first person using I. Rewrite the following sentences using Helen Keller or young Helen appropriately in place of I and making others necessary changes in the sentences. A. I did not know what the future held of marvel or surprise for me. Answer. young Helen did not know what the future held of marvel or surprise for her. B. The morning after my teacher came, she led me into her room and gave me a doll. Answer. The morning after Helen Keller's teacher came, she led her into her room and gave her a doll. C. On entering the door, I remembered the doll I had broken. Answer. On entering the door, young Helen remembered the doll she had broken. D. Then my eyes filled with tears, for I realized what I had done, and for the first time I felt repentance and sorrow. Answer is, then young Helen's eyes filled with tears and she realized what she had done, and for the first time she felt repentance and sorrow. Question number 4. Read the following sentences and frame at least 2 relevant questions on each. A. I was like that sheep before my education began. Question with who, what, when. कोण, काय, केव्हा चा वापर करून 2 प्रश्न तयार करा. एक्झाम्पल. हु वॉज लाईक दॅट शीप बिफोर हर एज्युकेशन बिगॅन. One day, I was playing with the new doll. Answer is number 1. What was I doing one day? Number 2. When was I playing with a new doll? When was I playing with the new doll? C. I learned a great many new words that day. Answer number 1. Who learned many words that day? Number 2. What did I learn that day? D. She brought my hat. Answer 1. What did she bring? Answer 2. Who brought my hat? E. We walked down the path to the well house. 1. Who walked down the path to the well house? Answer number 2. Where did we walk down? F. What living word awakened my soul? Answer number 1. What awakened my soul? Answer number 2. What did that living word awaken? So friends, in that manner we have completed this activity. ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपण या ठिकाणी अशा पद्धतीने सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. आपणाला ती आवडली असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, आपल्या गरजू मित्रांना शेअर करा. मित्रांनो, अशा पद्धतीने आपण ही इंग्लिश ॲक्टिव्हिटी सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. आपणास आवडली असेल तर लाईक करा, मित्रांना शेअर करा. चॅनलला अजूनपर्यंत सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.